Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to hide active now on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Click on profile icon. Tap on three line option. Scroll down. Okay, tap on messages and story replace. Just click and tap on show activity status. Okay, and show activity status active online, this option. Just click, then hide active status on Instagram. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.